there! Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we are going to make a happy birthday box card. It can also be just a sweet summertime card. You can choose your tag when you get the design. First thing we're going to do, as always, cut everything out on that Silhouette machine. I put all of the little pieces together off camera, but if you are using Silhouette Studio, it is really easy to move around those layers and see how they stack up. And now we are going to put together the inserts and the box card itself. So you just want to fold along all the perforated lines. We're going to start with putting the box itself together. Just glue that flap to the other flap. It makes a cube, simple as that. And put your elements on your flaps and your tabs, just where they fit. If you've watched very many of my videos, you already know that this patterned paper is by Echo Park, and this paper is from their Summer Dreams collection. It goes perfectly with the summer treat theme. Tag. This one says happy birthday to you, but you will also have the option when you buy this design to make the sweet summertime tag. So it can have either greeting. And that is almost all there is to this card. Now we're going to insert our little inserts, the strawberry and the cherry, that give this card even more dimension. And I just slide it in with a little bit of glue and fold it flat to make sure it still folds. And that is all there is to this card. Thank you so much for crafting with me today. And for a limited time, you can get this card free at the Silhouette Design Store. I am the featured artist the week of August 21st through 27th. And this is the freebie I'm giving everyone. So thank you so much for watching this video, and be sure to go to the Silhouette Design Store, get 50% off my designs the week of the 21st, and get this card for free, no purchase necessary.